In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can dash backwards here in Evade. It really is super simple once you do know how it works. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now first things first, it is pretty important to note that Evade doesn't have a dedicated backwards dash button. Instead, players actually have to use movement tricks like backslides or backwards bunny hopping to move quickly in reverse. Now I died in this game pretty quickly because I was being targeted because I was trying to make this video, but what you could do is backslide using an emote, and this is by far one of the easiest ways to do this. Essentially, all you need to go ahead and do is do a moving emote like the gritty or the backslide. Essentially just equip that in your emote slot. Once you go ahead and have that in your emote slot, start running forward to build up speed and quickly turn your camera 180 degrees and just activate your emote by pressing the G plus whatever emote number it might be for you, and immediately hold S on your keyboard or push down on the joystick, and your character is going to slide backwards while performing an emote, often maintaining or increasing your movement speed. You can also do backwards bunny hopping, which essentially is just the exact same thing, except you're going to be bunny hopping the entire time just by hitting space. So start by running forward to gain speed, begin jumping, and while jumping, release the forward key and start holding the S key. So for example, I could do this, and then I could go ahead and release this and start hitting the S key. It's kind of a hard trick to learn, but it is pretty good. While doing this, you could also start to hit A and D to kind of shuffle back and forth as well. And once again, it is kind of a hard skill to kind of pick up on, but that'll also increase your speed as well. But those are the main ways that you can actually move backwards or do a backwards dash here in Evade. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.